Let's make this kaleidoscope. To make this, you'll need a 6x9 plastic mirror, color transparencies, or you can use Sharpies, but the transparencies produce a better result. You'll need a flashlight, 100% acetone, a hot glue gun, utility knife, a craft knife, a microfiber cloth, tape, scissors, a small flathead screwdriver, a ruler, Q-tips, and this glass prism. This takes the kaleidoscope to a whole new level. Let's get started. On the back of the mirror, let's mark out some measurements. First measurement, 14/16. Second measurement, 1 10/16. Bottom measurements, 1/16 and 2 6/16. Connect the dots. Make sure you're using a new blade. This surface is slippery, so hold down the ruler firmly. You're going to make multiple passes, applying a little more pressure each time. Now use this as your template and cut out 2 more pieces. You should have 3 equal pieces. Choose just one of the pieces for the next step and leave the other 2 pieces alone for now. Mark some lines roughly the width of your screwdriver. Make some more lines. I just spaced these randomly. Now you're going to cut out those lines and make sure you're not applying a lot of pressure. You're just cutting through the paper. Remove the paper. Now do this to the rest of the lines. Take your screwdriver and gently scrape away the adhesive layer. Do that to the rest of the lines. Make sure you're using 100% acetone and make sure you read all the safety instructions before using this stuff. Make sure to blot off the excess so it doesn't drip all over the place. Use a bit of pressure to remove the mirrored coating. You're done when it looks see-through. Now do that to the rest of the lines. Peel off the paper backing. Take one of your transparencies, cut it to size. Be sure to remove the protective film from both sides, being careful not to touch it to avoid fingerprints. And then trim it. If you don't have the color transparencies, you can always use tape and then color the tape with a Sharpie. It doesn't look as good, but it still works. Trim off the excess tape. Cover the remaining lines. Take your 2 remaining pieces and you're going to tape them together, but make sure you leave this little gap. Remove the protective film from the mirror. Make sure you don't touch the mirror. You don't want any fingerprints. If you do happen to touch it, you can clean it off with a microfiber towel. Remove the film from the other 2 pieces. Now take the top piece and make sure you line everything up. Add some tape to hold it all together, nice and secure. Grab your prism and put it in place to make sure it fits and looks good. Be sure to clean the prism with a microfiber cloth. Once you glue it in place, you will not be able to clean it. Apply hot glue to all the sides. Make sure you get the corners really well. To use it, you just run your flashlight up and down the kaleidoscope. Now turn off the lights to see what this kaleidoscope can really do.